Now, a protest is being held in the Patna University by the students against the killing of that university law student Harsh Kumar, who was killed yesterday inside the university campus. A final year undergraduate student who was beaten to death by some unidentified people on the law college. This is the law college campus of the Patna University on Monday. The student has been identified as Harsh Raj, a student of the college. So now protests are being held because of that incident that took place where that 22-year-old student who was coming out from his examination center in the afternoon was killed. So now we have Prabhakar joining us. Prabhakar, what details do you have for us? There are protests that are being held against the killing of that 22-year-old. This was when he was just coming out of his examination center on Monday.
Yeah, exactly. This protest which is happening in Patna right now was organized by the students of Patna University in protest of killing of Harsh Raj, a student of law campus, who was coming out of his examination center when 8 to 10 people actually bashed him and literally lynched him to death. He died yesterday, and today the students of the university, they came out on the streets and they not only blocked the roads there, but that the protesters turned violent. The security forces, they were all there, the officials were there. They tried to pacify them, but later as the protests started turning violent, the police resorted to lathi charge. Few of them have sustained minor injuries, but no major injuries so far. And the police officials of Patna, they have informed that the main conspirator, Chandan Yadav, he has been arrested. There are 8 other named accused in this particular incident. They are still at large, but police is saying that they will be able to nab all of them very soon. But the main accused, Chandan Yadav, who's also a student of the law campus, he has been arrested. He's the guy who actually conspired this entire incident, and it was basically, there was a tussle between Harsh and Chandan Yadav over the Patna University Students' Union elections basically, and that actually led to killing of Harsh Yadav yesterday.
Right, and the father of the deceased, a journalist, had gone on to tell reporters that, he remained very tense since he was preparing for the upcoming student union elections and that he was contesting for the post of the president.
Yeah, his father is a journalist. He works in a newspaper. He's a reporter, and he was discouraging his son from participating in the Students' Union election. Harsh was very keen on participating in the Students' Union election, and he used to be socially very active, remain very active in the university programs. His father was always not very supportive of it. He used to advise him not to do so, but somehow Harsh did not listen to him, and this actually led to the enmity between Harsh and Chandan Yadav, who is also a very active participant in the student union elections over there, and that actually led to the killing of Harsh yesterday.
Right, very brutal there. He was lynched at the law college campus just when he had come out after giving his examination, which was at about 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday, by these people. They were using hockey sticks, iron, brick, and other kind of sticks were used in order to kill this final year student.
Yeah, it's a very brutal killing which happened. Actually, they went there with the sticks in their hand, with the hockey sticks, and they also used bricks to lynch him. And this boy was lynched in full public view. There were other students also present there. The police is trying to get out the CCTV footage of that particular campus where this incident happened, the PO of this incident, and also trying to get the eyewitnesses, because there were many students who were also present there, who were walking out of the examination hall, and they were all there. This guy Harsh actually walked out of the examination center along with other students, and he was singled out, and then he was trashed there, literally lynched to death in full public view. So there were eyewitnesses present there. It is indeed a very brutal killing, because there was no, it was the weapons to lynch him or to stone him to death were basically the bricks, the hockey stick, and the sticks basically, which the accused they were carrying with them.
Right, accusations also being made by the father there, claiming that he was receiving threats since he started preparing for the upcoming students' union elections at the Patna University. Thank you so much, Prabhakar, for getting us the details. As you can see, protests are being held at the Patna University. This is after that 22-year-old student was lynched to death by other 7 to 8 people who lynched him to death using sticks and bricks and stones in order to kill the final year student.